The tech is out there.
Admit it, we love our pets. We mean the world to them, and so do they. We think we got it all covered. But do you know what's in the water we feed them? Introducing ALNPET, the world's first pet water fountain with UVC and water circulating features. With SGS tested results guaranteed to purify water for your pets. We filtered out bigger chunks of food and hair, making sure that every drop of water is clean and clear. With a comprehensive water filter, we further remove bacteria, chlorine, and odors that contaminates the water. Our user-friendly design makes it super easy for anyone to refill, and it's super easy to clean. Make your pets fall in love with drinking water.
I'm from Chicago in America, and we met actually through work. She was my boss for a while, and then I got a new job, and I asked her out about a few weeks later. We have Yoshi here, and we have two other cats.
Peach and Bowser.
Yeah, Peach and Bowser. Our first animal was Peach, and that was about 7 years ago.
She was your cat. You had her.
She was my cat, yeah. And then Christine also wanted a cat. So then we got the second cat, and that's Bowser. And we've had him about 2 years now. And then Yoshi came third, and we've had him about a year now too.
Well, we just had normal water bowls. We would just place them, the normal like eating bowls, and we put one water bowl and one food bowl. And then every time they finished the water, we would just have to refill the water.
Yeah, it's a lot better with this because he would drink a full bowl in about 5 seconds, refill it, drink a full bowl, refill it, drink a full bowl. So it's a lot easier. I feel like it's definitely tempered down his drinking, and it's a lot easier to use.
So I would have to clean every single day, or maybe more than once a day, every day, to refill and clean the bowls for them. So this is definitely a lot easier, a lot less maintenance. Little fur, I think just like fur from their bodies, or even food, because they like to, one bowl's food, one bowl's water, so they would transfer the food from the food bowl to the water, and it would get really dirty.
Well, we don't have to clean food out of the bowl or clean food out of the ALNPET ever. Like I said, it's a lot less work and way less maintenance. So he can just drink as he pleases, and the motion sensor function is fantastic. So it's not running all the time. Whenever someone walks past it, it comes on, and if he comes up to it and it comes on, and he drinks out of it.
And it's definitely cleaner. I can tell that the water's cleaner, so I think it's definitely making him healthier while he's drinking the water, so that's definitely very good. He's very curious about it. If he sees it running, he'll go up and drink and drink a bit, so he's definitely more curious and wants to drink the water a lot more.
All tech all the time.